Hi, my name is Patti and welcome to my YouTube channel. I tend to post mommy, cleaning, decor, lifestyle type of videos. So if you're into that, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the little bell so you get notified when I post new videos. And today I have a really fun holiday video. I have my DIY table centerpiece. So I have just a bunch of odds and ends, like different vases, floral, and I also have a bunch of garland and then Christmas balls, like extra Christmas balls. And I thought I would try to create a fun little centerpiece for our table. So I have everything laid out on the table, so I'll kind of just show you everything and then we'll just get right into this. I don't have a plan for it, so we'll just see what I come up with. Okay, I've got my box with the ornaments, different Christmas balls, garland, some other ornaments, and I think I have some of those mini LED lights. A bunch of different vases, candles, and then this is kind of the box where I think I'm going to put most of it in. So you'll see throughout this video there was a lot of trial and error. I had originally wanted to use both pieces of garland, but it ended up looking a little sloppy. I also moved the vases and candles around a lot. I was playing with the different textures, colors, and height to get the perfect combo. I knew I wanted an odd number of items, but it took some figuring out to get the dimensions I wanted. You'll see in one of the clips I placed a dish under one of the vases to give the illusion that it's taller. One tip I have for you guys is to start removing the items off the table that you decided you aren't using. With everything on the table, it can get a little overwhelming. I love how the box turned out. I feel like all the colors and textures blended well together. We do sit at the table to eat all our meals, so I needed to keep the napkins handy. So that's why I added in the tray. But if I want to go for a more simpler look, I can just remove the tray and put it in the kitchen as a standalone piece. I really hope you enjoyed this Christmas centerpiece DIY. If you did, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. VLOGMAS is in full effect, so make sure you're subscribed and have those bell notifications turned on. Thanks for watching. Bye!